10 proven study techniques to boost your memory. Improving memory is essential for effective studying. Whether you're preparing for an exam, learning a new language, or mastering a complex subject, using the right techniques can help you retain information better. Here are 10 scientifically proven study techniques to enhance your memory and optimize your learning process. 1. Active recall. Test yourself regularly. Instead of passively reading notes, challenge yourself to retrieve the information from memory. Try covering your notes and recalling key concepts. Flashcards, self-quizzing, and summarizing what you've learned without looking are powerful ways to strengthen memory retention. 2. Spaced repetition. Study smart, not hard. Cramming might work short-term, but for long-term retention, you need spaced repetition. Review your material at increasing intervals. After 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. Apps like Anki or Quizlet can help automate this process. 3. The Pomodoro Technique. Optimize focus and retention. Studying for long hours without breaks leads to mental fatigue. The Pomodoro Technique involves studying in short bursts, e.g., 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. This keeps your mind fresh and prevents burnout while boosting concentration. 4. Mnemonics and memory aids. Make learning fun. Mnemonics use patterns, acronyms, and rhymes to make information easier to remember. For example, to remember the colors of the rainbow, people use Roigbiv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Creating your own memory devices can make studying more engaging. 5. Mind mapping. Visual learning for better organization. A mind map helps structure information visually. Instead of writing linear notes, create diagrams that link ideas together. This technique engages both the logical and creative parts of the brain, making it easier to recall complex concepts. 6. Teaching others. Learn by explaining. One of the best ways to reinforce learning is by teaching it to someone else. When you explain a concept in your own words, you identify gaps in your understanding. This is known as the Feynman technique, named after physicist Richard Feynman. 7. Interleaving. Mix up subjects for deeper learning. Instead of studying one subject for hours, try interleaving, alternating between different topics. This forces the brain to work harder to recall information, making learning more effective. For example, study math for 30 minutes, then switch to history, then to science. 8. Use all your senses. Multisensory learning. Engaging multiple senses improves memory. Try reading aloud instead of silently. Listening to recorded lectures while reviewing notes. Writing down key points instead of just typing. Using gestures or drawing to reinforce concepts. The more ways you interact with information, the better you'll remember it. 9. Get enough sleep. Memory consolidation happens overnight. Your brain processes and stores information while you sleep. Studies show that students who sleep well before an exam perform better than those who stay up late cramming. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to maximize memory retention. 10. Stay active and eat brain-boosting foods. Physical exercise improves blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function. Even a short walk can help clear your mind and improve focus. Additionally, brain-boosting foods like blueberries, nuts, fish, rich in omega-3, and dark chocolate can enhance memory. Conclusion. Memory improvement isn't about studying harder. It's about studying smarter. By incorporating these 10 proven study techniques, you can optimize your learning, retain information more effectively, and boost your academic performance. Start applying these methods today and see the difference in your ability to remember and recall information effortlessly.